TBK career point. So here is an opportunity from the Amazon company for the role of program associate from the Bangalore campus. So for the Bangalore location, so we are looking for program manager associate who will be responsible for managing programs aimed at reducing seller controllable return rate. So job description ఇచ్చారు ఒకసారి చూడండి. And key responsibilities: working closely with partner teams to understand the problem areas, identifying defects in business inputs and proposing process to find root causes and correct errors, develop dashboards to simplify operation, knowledge of SQL or Excel. So we are open to hiring candidates to work out of one of the following locations: Bangalore, Karnataka. So major location Bangalore. So basic qualifications bachelor's degree. So the this is the offer. So the interested students and the freshers can apply for it and forward to your friends.